Click on the link below to get price. The Moped Style 750W 1500W electric bike for adults is an impressive blend of power, style, and functionality. With its sleek design reminiscent of classic mopeds, this e-bike stands out in both urban and rural environments. The bike is available in 3 different speed configurations: 28 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour, and 33 miles per hour, allowing riders to choose the level of thrill they desire. This feature is particularly appealing for those who want versatility in their riding experience. Powering this bike is a robust 750W motor that can peak at 1500W, providing a strong acceleration and effortless hill climbing capabilities. Whether commuting through the city or navigating steep terrain, the bike performs admirably under various conditions. Additionally, the inclusion of a pedal assist system, PAS, enhances its usability, giving riders the option to exert varying levels of effort while maximizing efficiency. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its impressive range. With options of 34 to 80 miles on a single charge, it effectively addresses one of the common concerns with electric bikes: battery life. Depending on the mode selected and riding conditions, users can confidently embark on longer journeys without the constant worry of running out of power. The battery options, 48V15, 6Ah and 48V18, 2Ah, are designed to cater to different user needs, with the larger 874Wh battery ensuring extended rides. The charging time is reasonable, taking around 4 to 6 hours, allowing for quick recharges overnight or during work breaks. Moreover, the bike is equipped with essential safety features, including reliable brakes and bright LED lights for night riding. The comfortable seat and ergonomic design contribute to a pleasant riding experience, reducing fatigue during longer trips. In conclusion, the Moped Style electric bike is a well-rounded option for adults looking for a fun and efficient mode of transportation. Its combination of power, range, and stylish design makes it a compelling choice for anyone seeking an electric bike that doesn't compromise on performance or aesthetics.